Hey guys, and welcome to Castle's Corner. I am Coach Castle, and today I'll be introducing my latest book to you, Bulletproof Bodybuilding, teaching you how all that you have is all that you need. Now, getting into the table of contents here, we're going to talk about, in order, escaping the fitness industry's marketing maze, basically how you've been misled and lied to, establishing your starting point via tracking and measuring your body weight, body measurements, breathing IQ, resting metabolic rate, cardiac ability, your current rep ranges, your current caloric consumption, how to measure your body fat with skin fold calipers, and your grip strength, which is important to test. After that, we're going to be getting into the mechanical factors introduction, or explaining the 12 intelligent rules of bodybuilding, including the checklist for optimum exercise selection, including my 12 rules. After that, we get into advanced training techniques, rest pause, infotonic, and omnicontraction, the exact muscle groups you will be targeting directly, how and why, exercise flashcards for the gym. Then we're going to start talking about your respiratory health, how to improve your health and performance directly through breath work, how to effectively lose fat anyways through cardio, the nutrients and foods you're going to need to speed up muscle recovery after exercise, a long list of helpful tips, what to do if your motivation fails, sleep. We're having a long conversation about sleep, how to prioritize it, how to do it properly. Yes, there is a proper way to sleep. And then we're going to talk about building the perfect home gym, talk about a do-it-yourself multi-wood angle storage bench to keep all your stuff in. And then finally, we're going to be getting into the exercise perfectly anywhere flashcards, and finally, daily trackers and planners. And of course, everything that you could possibly need is included in this book. It's literally everything. It's a start to finish process I do with my clients. It's got tons of tools and resources in it. Everything is explained and laid out with very clear pictures. Every plan you could ever want is in here. I tried to do a really good job with it, guys. It hasn't been published yet, but I just wanted to share it with you. And if anybody's interested in receiving a copy, just go ahead and send me an email. I hope it helps everyone.